Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for text to video. Canva makes it incredibly simple to turn your written ideas into dynamic visual stories. We'll start by showing you how to select a template or a blank canvas, then guide you through adding your text. You'll discover how easy it is to apply animations and effects, bringing your words to life in just a few clicks. Get ready to create compelling videos effortlessly. Now, let's build your video story. Canva offers a vast library of over 100 million stock photos, videos, and audio tracks to choose from. You can easily drag and drop these elements to match your text, creating a cohesive narrative. We'll cover how to fine-tune the timing of each scene and add seamless transitions, ensuring your message flows perfectly from start to finish. It's all about making your story visually compelling. To truly make your video shine, let's focus on polishing it with audio and effects. Canva provides a rich audio library where you can select background music or even record your own voiceover. We'll show you how to apply stunning filters and special effects, giving your video a professional look. Remember to adjust audio levels and add subtle fade effects for a smooth, impactful sound. Always preview your work to ensure everything is perfectly synchronized. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. Canva allows you to download your video in high-definition MP4 format, ensuring excellent quality. You can easily share it directly to popular social media platforms, reaching your audience instantly. For team projects, simply share your Canva project link for seamless collaboration. We'll also discuss optimizing your video settings for various platforms, helping you maximize its impact and reach. Your story is ready to be told.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.